Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a general reading for Virgo from 16th of May to 31st of May. So this is a general reading, as I said. Please see what resonates, take what resonates with you, leave what does not. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. So we'll take out 3 cards, seeing the probable obstacle or challenge you might be facing right now, the guidance for you, and the probable outcome by end of May. Okay, so let's see what the cards have for you. What are the challenges or obstacles Virgo might be going through or will go through or might go through? Sorry, Virgo. What are the challenges? What are the challenges for Virgo that might come or is already they are already going through from 16th to 31st of May? Obstacles or challenges for Virgo? Obstacles or challenges for Virgo? Obstacles or challenges for Virgo? Okay. Alright. Let's see what is the guidance for you. Let's see what is the guidance for you, Virgo, here. Let's see what is the guidance. Alright. What is the probable outcome for you? What is the probable outcome by end of May? Alright. Okay. Bottom of the deck we have the Chariot. Are you actually planning to make a move towards something or someone, but something is stopping you? You are determined that okay, this is what I want, this is how I'm going to do it, this is what I'm going to get, but it's all running in your mind and you're not actively taking a move towards it. That is somewhere I feel is happening subconsciously. Okay, let's see the challenges for you, Virgo. So I think you are looking for, at your work level, if I say, you are looking for growth, you are looking for maybe applying something towards working abroad or moving out of your current place and relocating to a different place, and you are just kind of exploring new ideas. You are being very energetic, but you are not able to decide. See, there may be so many things which are kind of holding you back, and because of that, maybe your family, your comfort at your current place you are in, and somewhere that is you, that might be stopping you. But you are you are very focused on moving ahead, maybe coming out of a, maybe in relations, if I say, maybe coming out of a relation and looking for something new. At your workplace you might be thinking of either changing your place, your location, or moving to a different place, but something is holding you back. Place means it can also be changing the organization or something, but something is holding you back, but you are very determined about looking for that option. But it's like kind of so many thoughts are running in your mind. This is what I can do, this is how I will do it, this is how I am going to get it, but it's all running in your mind, where right now you're kind of what do you say, everything is running in head. No movement, but everything is in head. In your head you are moving a lot, but not in reality. Okay. So somewhere I think that is a challenge. The guidance for you here is to be patient. Okay, don't lose patience and make any decision or take any call in hurry. Okay, so you analyze everything carefully, analyze everything deeply, look at the things from different perspective, try to see things from another person's point of view, from their perspective, and then take a call. But as of now the guidance is to wait and watch, wait for the right time to take a move. Okay, the outcome here, Virgo, for you I see is it might be quite difficult, that you might feel left out initially. You might feel like nobody understands you. You are going through a detachment kind of phase, emotionally also, at finance level also. Somewhere you might feel like there is no enough growth, but that won't last for long. Okay, so you need to come out of your comfort zone. You need to speak out what is bothering you. You need to connect with people who makes you feel good, who makes you feel heard and seen, and just try to change your perspective for some time. That may be a difficult time initially, but slowly and gradually things definitely turns out to be in our favor, right? And difficult time always don't last. Same is with the good times, right? So just keep that in mind, that don't lose hope. Change your perspective. If you're feeling left out in the cold, if you're feeling detached, if you're feeling unheard, unseen, just surrender to the universe. Okay, just surrender to the universe. That's the reading, guys. If you want me to do a detailed reading, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.